Are real estate transfer taxes impacting your ability or desire to sell a piece of property? Hello, my name is James. Here's the problem. Politicians all around the world have been imposing transfer taxes or stamp duty on real estate deals. For instance, in Singapore, we're looking at a 60% transfer tax. In London, it's 15%. And then most recently, in the city of Los Angeles, for commercial and residential property, it's 6%. Now, one of my long-term customers said, hey, James, you understand this real estate title. Are there any loopholes, any solutions to these transfer taxes? Yes, there are. You need to read the instructions. So what I did, just like in any puzzle, I read the LA Municipal Code. And in section 21.92, it shows where the trigger is for the transfer tax, and that is when a grant deed is recorded. So what's a grant deed? A grant deed is a conveyance from one party to the other, and it's also what's known as legal title. But here's the thing, legal title also includes what are called a bundle of rights. You can split them apart or you can have them together. And the term that's used is called bifurcation. So let me go through what these bundle of rights are. The first one is possession. You have possession of the property. You can do what you want with it. It's entirely up to you. Number two is you have control of the property. You have control of the use. You could rent it, you could occupy it, you can exclude people, you can build a fence around it. And number three, you have enjoyment. You can enjoy the property. You can sit out in the backyard, have a pool party, you can put political signs on the front yard. That's entirely up to you. You can also encumber the property. You can collateralize this legal title that we were talking about in exchange for a loan. Or you could sell an option on the property, or you could lease the property, or you could do a remainder estate. So these are some examples of encumbrance. And then the last one is transfer. So you could legally transfer that title, through a sale or through a gift. So these are the bundle of rights. So now what I want to share with you are three examples of how you can share these benefits or some of these rights with other people and control the legal title. The easiest one is with a lender. When you get a loan against a piece of property, you sign a deed of trust. And that deed of trust hypothecates or collateralizes the legal title in exchange for the loan. So normally you make all the payments and then, it's paid off at the end. But then what happens if you don't make, the payment and they have to foreclose? So that lender has control over legal title eventually at some point. One of the other ways you can do this, you can have a friendly foreclosure. That's one of the techniques that we help people with. Another one is with an option. So you could sell an option on the property, and then the person that bought the option from you, they could have rights such as to occupy the property, they could lease the property, they could improve the property, turn around and sell at a profit. And then the third one is like with business trusts. We use those for title, and you could split up legal title. So these are three examples of how you can get some of these benefits, get some of these rights, and control the legal title without paying those transfer taxes. Now think about it. If you did a regular standard transaction, you did a $30 million transaction with a 6% transfer tax, so 6 times 3, it's $1.8 million. Put on your thinking hat, guys. Look at and study Real Estate 102. Look at these bundle of rights, figure out what instruments you need to use, and solve the problem. You're invited to share this video with other people that might be interested, and if you'd like more information, click on the link below. I've got another webpage that explains a little bit more about this. And again, my name is James, and thank you very much for watching.